Hi, I'm Will Kelly with Hard Knocks Guitars. I'd like to take a minute to show you some of the details and sounds that can be had from this beautiful MayCaster that I built in homage to Brian May of Queen. It's got 3 P90 pickups with the awesomeguitars.com Brian May switching system installed, which gives you 35 different tones from this instrument. And they're all passive, no batteries, anything like that. You've got a one-piece laboratory roasted poplar body, solid California walnut neck, hand carved one piece, no luthier splice at the headstock. We've got 12-inch radius, 22 frets, nickel silver frets. I was trying to think there for a minute. Bone nut, 50,000-year-old ancient swamp cowrie headstock piece. Master volume and master tone, and an electro socket jack in the butt end of it. Very comfortable guitar. It's got cutaways for the belly and for your knee, as well as arm dress or forearm dress on here. Both cutaways are chamfered as well, so it's a very comfortable, very form-fitting, hugging guitar. Nice weight, about 7 pounds. Alright, so let's go through the switching and the settings a little bit here. The first thing is I'm going to roll through the individual pickups, and then we'll start playing with some series and parallel and phasing and things like that. This is basically just a Marshall JCM 800 amp model, and this is the bridge pickup as you would normally hear in, say, a Les Paul Jr. Alright, middle pickup. And then of course you've got the neck pickup. Alright, sounds good, right? Okay, now you can take any pickup, individually cut it on or off, and in combination with any of the other two, plus you can have them in phase or out of phase. So what happens when you start using distortion and you get a really nice thick, and you put another pickup in combination with it, in series as it were. There's your middle pickup and there's your strat all day long. Okay, but when I put it out of phase, the middle pickup from the bridge pickup, you start getting some lovely distortion with definition and character. In phase, out of phase. Snarly, chewy kind of distortion. That's what Peter Green's sound is all about. So you can take the middle pickup out of the equation and basically treat it like you would a Les Paul. So I've got my bridge pickup on, I've got my neck pickup on, okay? And then what you get is a traditional Les Paul special, which is 2 P90s with a 3-way switch. Okay, and this is what you get from that. Alright, but now when you start putting things out of phase with each other, Peter Green comes out. Lovely, lovely. Now this is the reverse situation where the bridge is out of phase to the neck. Lovely snarl. Just a great thing that you don't get from a normal P90 equipped guitar. The other thing is since you have 3 switches with 3 pickups, is all three of them get on, which is just a really lovely, articulate, full, powerful sound. And then you get to that same riff and it really kind of pops. Now those are three pickups in series, which means that this pickup, parallel, excuse me. This pickup, and this pickup all meet, so to speak, output-wise at the switches. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put them all in series, which means that the output from the bridge goes into the middle, and then that output goes into the neck, and then the output goes to your output. And what that really does is take it from this to this. Series and parallel. So as you see from the Queen sounds that you all know and love, that in itself is the sound. All three pickups on, in phase, and in series. And you get this. Sorry about that, I am not Brian May, but you get the gist. Once again, you can take any pickup and put it out of phase, but still in series. In that same setting, but with the middle pickup out of phase, goes like this. In phase, out of phase. The tonal possibilities, even though they are at 35, are endless because you have a tone control that overrides everything. Which gives you that Eric Clapton woman tone thing in a nutshell. Well, I hope I haven't destroyed your ears, and that's a really quick run through the Hard Knocks MayCaster. This is a one-of-a-kind guitar that I designed the body for, specifically for this instrument. There is no other guitar like this on earth. You ought to grab it while you can, fellas. That's what it is. Somebody's going to snap it up. Thanks for listening.